Another episode. Keep on going, don't they, these episodes? Getting bored soon. Okay, so this is my last video. Oh, sorry about the tank noises outside. Jesus. Yeah, come through the door, hang on. Let's turn that off. Anyway, so this is my last video of my 24-hour marathon of just getting work done on the pickup. Have I done as much as I wanted? Maybe, maybe not. But dreams of it being in prime underneath, a bit too far. But anyway, give credit to anyone that does this for a full-time job, 8 hours a day. It's back-breaking, it really is, doing all the welding work and everything. So if anybody's watching this and you're paying a big bill for restoration, hopefully they've done a good job. But realise that this stuff is hard, laborious work. And dirty, brown snot. Oh, it's not the best. So anyway, let's get back on and finish this corner piece off for the roof, and let's see if we can get that done today. Okay, just going to start making up a little repair section for this bit here first. So just a bit of a magnum repair panel again, and yeah, let's give it a go. I don't know where you can see this, I do apologise. Yeah. That's that bit made up, not too bad. So this is the next section, which we can use this panel as a bit of a pattern, because we know that fits over there quite snugly. So this pan, this extension piece has to go in there. So we can take that to the bench and see if we can bend a bit of metal to match that. Be a laugh, won't it? See if we can do that. Not too sure how far it goes down, but we'll make it extra long to start with. Yeah. Lovely. Bench time. Managed to wing the first curve. Look at that. As you saw, I just used a thingamabob, ratchet handle. So yeah, let's see if we can get the next curve any better. Yeah, let's get that. Whew. Ah! What? Oh, I thought I'd just videoed that in time lapse, but I didn't. So you saw that in real time. Look at that. I don't know if Trev's blog's watching me, but I think I've learned something from you guys. Look at that. Built myself. I say built. I cut myself a little bit of angle. Had a slight curve of radius already on it, so that was able to put that in the vise and allow me to bend it, as you saw. So I could get that in there, you see. Yes! Oh, we've only got one more fold to do now. Let's see if we can muck that up. So yeah, that's looking fan dabby dizzy. Look at that. Oh, That's like heritage standard, that. I'll tell you what, there you go. That'll do me. Slight, not perfect curve, but it's more important to actually match the other bit. But yeah. Trev. Ow! Hurt my finger. Yeah. Oh, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Okay, maybe not perfect, but that'll do. So yeah, we just need to cut it down now and go try it in the car. Alright, I don't know how well you can see this. There we go. So we just need to cut this off now to the length we need, which I'm not too sure. Get a bit of a gauge from the other side. Looking at the other side, it's slightly. It doesn't just end square like this. It actually this sort of points out, so we cut some of this off anyway. So yeah, let's take a measurement of the other one and cut it. Sorry, world of noise. Anyway, that's not too bad. There we go. 2 panels repaired. The last one to go now, which has got a bit of a curve to it, so we're going to have to see how that goes. I think what we'll do is we'll do this edge first and get an angle on it, and then let's just fold a piece of metal and see how it goes. So obviously this will be, look at the other side. Yeah, see, it's a curved fold, so we may have to, beyond our skills we might have to cut it, slice it and dice it. Anyway, might not be the prettiest, but it's pretty good, and it's a lot more solid than it was before. So. Alright, come on, Matthew, let's try and see if we can do this last panel. I apologise for bad lighting. So yeah, we're just getting this panel, bit of heat in it, bit of bend in it. We're not far off, I don't think. Yeah, that'll do, won't it? Just to fill a hole. Obviously I have to slit this a little bit to get a bit of curve into it. But yeah. Yeah, that'll do, won't it? I don't know how much I can get in here to grind. I might have to put a little bit of skimmer fill on that. We'll get the old Dremel in there. It's going to be quite hard to get the soft pad in there, that's for sure. Oh, we're getting there. Wow, what a job. Oh, the lighting's awful. Alright, I'm running out of time and energy now. We'll just get this clamped in. No grips. Play that. Oh, it's aging when they fall apart. Any more wall grips? No, we're on out. Hang on. So yeah, we might fill that hole in. Fill that hole in. Oh, well, one more wall grip on there. Why not? Well, that'll do. Yeah. Well, it's a lot more solid than it was. We get that welded in next time. A couple of spot welds on it. And a few tacks, I'm sure. Looking at the other side, it's not actually welded to this pillar panel. It just floats around like anything. It's just purely to join these two panels up. Obviously, God knows if the other side's right or not, but yeah. All right, yeah, not much I can do about the light. I'm just standing in the way anyway. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm pooped. Leave it till next time.